So welcome to KubeCon. We're here with Red Hat. My name is Sander, and I'm here with Natale from Red Hat.
Hey, hello, Sander. How are you?
I'm doing great. It's a great event. Nice vibes.
Yeah, nice vibes. Just started, feeling good. Yeah.
And so, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Natale Vinto. I'm a technical director here in Red Hat, and I work with communities and customers to help them having success with their Kubernetes cloud-native AI strategy.
Okay. So at this event here, we have lots of talk about AI, right? And enterprises adopting AI. So if you could say to these enterprises all adopting AI, like what should they fix now if they're starting out with AI?
That's a good question. Maybe they should fix their processes more than a technology blocker. It's a process blocker, right?
Okay.
They should welcome the adoption of the AI in some manifest form.
Yeah.
And they should allow experimentation as much as possible.
Right. Within the safety.
Within the safety and the guardrails boundaries of enterprise. Yes.
Yeah. And once they lift off, right? They grow and they see AI is working for them. How would they scale that up?
That's a great question. I think you should in this phase you have to do a lot of benchmarking and measurements. To scale it up, you should push automation at the maximum boundaries. You don't know what you don't know. Those AI agents can help you automating many things that yesterday were manual.
Yeah.
But I think it's crucial to do a good pilot that will demonstrate the effectiveness and start measuring everything.
Okay, yeah. So measurements and then seeing where you run into limits and then try to get past the.
Yeah. Okay. And if you start with we're talking about safety guardrails.
Yeah.
If you start already with this setup, then it's good. You don't have to remediate afterwards.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So stay in front of it. Yeah. Okay. And so how does Red Hat fit into this play of AI and enterprises and?
I'm really excited to echo our latest announcement.
Okay,
we had just announced that we donated the LLMD to the CNCF. This is a state-of-the-art architecture for AI. So this means, to your question, what Red Hat is doing in this space?
Yeah.
We're building the framework, we're building the foundation for open source agentic AI adoption at scale. We're bringing to Kubernetes the capability to deploy AI workloads, manage AI workloads, manage models, deploy models. And we're doing also a lot of community work. Mm-hmm. We're joining the Redis community, the project, with engineering, with thought leadership, in many forms, right? Red Hat is, it's in this open source AI space, it's doing its contribution.
So lots of activity going on across various different domains. Okay, cool. So given that Red Hat is involved in all of these domains, where do you see developer tools heading in like maybe the next 2 or 3 years? What would that look like given all this AI agentic?
My answer might change in a few weeks.
Who knows?
We don't know what we don't know, right? But actually, jokes apart, there's a lots of contribution also in the developer tools. Think about starting from agentic frameworks, or look at OpenClaw that really opened doors that we're not thinking about beforehand, right? But there are more and more tooling helping developer scaffolding software and creating agentic coding, working with agentic coding, working with agentic app. Yesterday was more like a code assistance, AI code assistance. Today is also, and tomorrow could be more like creating skills, creating agents markdown, creating
to help the
structure.
AI get better.
Help the AI getting better with spec development-driven flows. So this is a continuous evolving space, but those tools are evolving, and there are lots of open source tooling also.
So much going on.
Yes.
And then for those developers, right? The golden question, like if you could give a tip to someone starting out right now as a developer, what would you tell them? Like this is something you should definitely do.
Yes, my tip is don't wait and try to stay on this space of AI, which is of course running fast. But you know what? Skills are relevant. Maybe somebody can say, oh no, now things are not relevant anymore, and I cannot even start in any way. No, you gotta start. You gotta study a lot, moreover in this phase,
learn the trade. Really,
yes, and the skills are relevant. You're gonna use your thought leadership to help the agents doing the software or creating something with you, not only for you, but with you. So study, stay curious, experiment a lot, and join the communities, because the community are where things really happen. You know what? There are also agentic AI only software around already. But there are community also creating
that are behind the software. Okay,
that's my tip.
Okay, that's a great one. It's a lot, but I think it's a cool tip and a good story. Thank you, Natale,
thank you very much
for elaborating on like Red Hat and like your view on open source. This was KubeCon 2026. My bad. With Red Hat. So thank you very much.
Thanks for the interview. Thanks for coming.